Hi everyone. Okay, I am back with a amazing haul. Let me find out where it's at. And it is going to be by Plaid. Okay, I'm not going to upload this wow. Take a breath. I'm not going to upload this video until I hear back from Plaid, because I did the ambassador program. I applied for it. I don't know if I got accepted or not. If I got accepted, it means I get to be an affiliate, and any purchases you make using my link, I get a credit for it, and that would be cool. If I don't get accepted, it is what it is, right? So I will link the other lady's channel, who are actually, I won't link her, I will, if I remember to link. That's the whole thing, remembering. If I can remember to link her channel, I will. If I can't, I will just put her discount code in the description box, because it would be a description code in my name if I get accepted. If I don't, then I'll put her name. That way you can still get the credit. She can get credit as also a content creator, but also as a fellow lover of crafts, you know. So if I can't get anything from it, then I hope she can. So yeah, so just, it's women supporting women. I don't have any men who watch my channel. It's all women. So on the graphics, on YouTube graphics, I don't know if they do or not, but on the graphics it says it's only women. It's 100% women who watch my channel. So women supporting women, right? Okay, so being all that said, we'll find out, right? If there's either a link to me or a link to her. We'll find out if I got accepted or not. I'm hoping I do. I will put links, though. I'll put whatever I show you here. I will, Amazon also sells it, so I will put it in my Amazon store, which now I'm affiliate with Amazon. And I had 2 people order. I got 39 cents, you guys. You would have, the minute I saw that I got 39 cents, you would have thought I got $1,000, because it was just so cool. So cool. Some people ordered off my store, and I got 39 cents. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love it. Thank you so much. That was so cool. So I will link these on Amazon also. So I'll have a couple of links in the description box. I'll make sure I do that. Okay, so not all of them are on Amazon, but some are. So what I'm going to start, sorry, I'm just talking, but if you're used to my videos, you know that I do, because I want to explain certain things. If you're familiar, Calico Whimsy, she does a felt tube, and I don't want to copy her, because I typed in felt tube, and she's the only one who has that, like, trademark. It's not a trademark, but you know, it's her thing. So I'm going to call mine Felt Love. So I'm going to do a Felt Love, or a Love Felt, one or the other. Love, felt, applique, love, I don't know. But either way, I will, I'm not going to open these now, not all of them. Okay, I'll open one, but not all of them, because when I start a new project, I will film the unboxing of that particular one, and I will show you everything, and I'll show you how to cut it out and all that stuff. So I will do individual videos for all of these when I get to them, okay? So, but this one is, these names you type in yourself, or you type in, you stitch in yourself. So I'll show you one in a little bit, okay? But this is so cute. Look at the sugar cookie dough. So sugar cookie dough, Santa Claus and his cookies, all of this. This is a stocking. Gingerbread Santa is what it's called. And it's a felt stocking. Now this one, Calico Whimsy did this one. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so darn cute. Toys from Santa. It's a felt wall hanging. So my husband and I are going back to Craig in Colorado in a couple of weeks for his evaluation for his therapy, you know, life after stroke kind of thing. And so I'm going to be taking a couple of kits with me. And I will show you which ones I will be taking. So look at this one. Holiday houseplants. So cute. And then, oh, Cozy Christmas. I love this. So Jennifer Good, I think her name is Jennifer. I don't think it's Jessica. I think it's Jennifer Good and Calico Whimsy. They both have videos showing you how to put these together. They show you everything. So I recommend their videos. And they're highly educational. So I know 4th of July passed, but I don't care. Because if you know me, you know I love my gnomes. I love my gnomes. So Plaid had a sale. This is all from Plaid, by the way. They had a 40% off sale. And I was like, oh my goodness. So I got, yeah, I got this. Because quite honestly, 40% off, guys. The sale's no longer, but yeah, the sale was amazing. So I recommend, if you're like me, you're on fixed income and limited budget and everything else, to wait for Black Friday or wait for whatever next sale they have. Or if you have points on Amazon, you get them from Amazon. I love this one so much. This one is so cute. It's called Gingerbread Express, Cozy Christmas, Boo Buddies, Red, White, and Blue Gnomes, Chillin' with My Gnomies. Sorry, I didn't tell you before. And then Holiday House Plants, we got that one. So Gingerbread Express. Oh my goodness, you guys. Then we have Jolly Santa. This is a felt wall hanging. And then we have Nordic Gnome. He is a felt doorstop. Oh, so cute. This one is going to be Elegant Poinsettia Felt Pillow. This one is beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. Snowman's Candy Confections. If you know anything, I love cupcakes. Cupcakes, donuts. Well, I love everything because, yeah, I have double chins. Maybe working on my third chin here pretty soon because I love everything sweets. Easter Bonnet Parade. These are so cute. I have been working on my Halloween wreath, you guys. I have been working. I love it. Love is love in the air. Sorry, I had a hiccup. And I'll show you this one. This is Halloween Squad. Okay. Now, these two that I'm going to show you right now are the ones that I'm going to do next. Vintage Halloween. The glasses are nothing but sequins. All sequins, you guys. I love it. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to get this one up. I'll show it to you right now, okay? We'll open this one up. And this one I'm going to be taking. Spellbound Greetings. Oh my goodness. Look at how adorable. Okay, we're going to open these. So like I said, we're gonna get this done. So let's see, let me throw these behind me. Which one was your favorite, guys? Which one would you buy if you could right now? Let's see. Let me move these off the table so we can open and not lose anything. So right now I am practicing how I'm storing my stuff so that I can take it with me from room to room, and when my husband has appointments, to take it with me. So I will show you my setup when I perfect it. It's not perfected yet, so not yet. So they don't have an actual opening. Okay, so not a problem because I'm pretty organized, so I won't lose the pieces or parts. Watch me lose the pieces and parts. So because when you brag, and that's bragging, I'm organized, then it means you lose stuff. So we shall see. So, but I'm hoping not to. Let's see. I'm just going to be very, very careful. Okay, so this is going to be, let me show you what you get. So you get your main picture. You need this like nobody's business. You need this because some of their directions are not very well written, well shown. So you need to go back to seeing the actual picture. Then it tells you right here how to get started. It shows you the design chart, you know, how to put these together. And then so each individual, this is just, oh my gosh, so adorable. This is your design chart right here. Okay, so shows you which stitches you'll be doing, and you will be doing, well, they had before. I don't know about this one. I don't know. Okay, so the green. So this is how it's going to look when you get it. So it's felt. It's on felt. It's printed. So this is going to be what? Oh, eyeglass. So this is going to be the eyeglass. And see, it on here, it has numbers. Let me show you up close. So you see those numbers around the whole design? Well, those numbers, like say for this one, it's going to say 111. Well, you're going to take your picture and see there's 111 right here. So 111 is on the eyeglass. So now you know that is his right eyeglass, left eyeglass, whichever way you want to say it, whichever way works for you. But that's 111. So each of these numbers represent something. So 30, so this one is number 30. So you're going to go on here and you're going to look for your 30. So that's how you end up finding what goes to what. So 30 goes to the cat. So that's going to be part of the cat hat. So right here. So these, that's how they show you how to put them together. So there's the green. I'm gonna scoot you in, okay? That way you can see this a little bit better. Okay, and then you have the purple. Some of the felt is thicker than others. Some are thicker than others. Some are really flimsy. But you got all the red. Oh, look at that. So, and then you have like the white, which is the ghost. The skull, the teeth. Oh, look at the teeth. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So you're going to be stitching the teeth in black. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is why I want to do this one next, because it's just so cute. It's so darn cute. So then you have the black. So everything has to be cut out, okay? And then when it shows you scissors inside, this is the eyeglasses, so you're going to cut the hole. So anywhere it shows scissors, you cut that out also. So you end up cutting inside the line. You cut inside the line because you don't want any of your white to show. Oh, sorry, am I off camera? Yeah, I'm off camera. So any of the white here, you cut inside of it carefully, and that is going to be your design right there, and what you're going to stitch. So you cut out all inside the line. Oh, this one you have to be really careful because you need to put the sequins around right here. And all the dots mean that's where the sequins go. So this is the eyeglasses right here. It's eyeglasses. So the sequins are going to be all inside of here. That's the glasses. So all the dots mean sequins. And then when it shows like the stitch, it'll tell you which stitch this is. You either have like satin stitch, back stitch, what's the other one? Straight stitch. So yeah, so that's what that stuff will mean. Look at the owl. Oh my goodness, he's so orange. Oops, sorry. He is so orange. Oh, look at the pumpkin. Oh, so the pumpkin is more mustard. He's more mustard than orange. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah. That's really interesting. Yeah, he's really mustard. Okay, so that's what that looks like, okay? And then you're gonna open up they give you all the floss. I'm already started my Halloween wreath, and I already don't have enough sequins. So luckily I have sequins of my own. I'll put them in, but from what I understand, if you run out of sequins, you can contact Plaid or wherever you buy them from, and they will send you some more. So that's cool. But I want to get my projects done. I don't want to wait, and I already have sequins because I'm already a paper crafter. So this is all the floss you need, and then you have your sequins in here. So you have your sequins right here. So all your bags of sequins, and then you'll have your beads. Here's some more sequins. Here's 3 beads. So every sequin gets a bead. So all of them do. And then you have star sequins, and you have these sequins, or these aren't sequins. These are seed beads, but they're more of a bead. You also get 2 needles. You get an embroidery needle and a sequin needle. So 2 different kinds. They're so hard to thread. So I bought a little gadget to help me thread, but oh my gosh, it does not like it at all. I don't know how you guys are doing it, but yeah, so hard. But okay, so that's your whole kit. That's all you need. And then you just cut them out and you go to town, start stitching. It's really fun. Okay, so I'm going to show you that one. And then, you know what? Let me show you well, this is the door hanger. Do you want to see the door hanger or do you want to see the stocking? Probably the stocking, huh? Okay, let's try a stocking. Okay, let's open this one because this one you already know is going to look like. Okay, here, let me put that. But this is the one I'm going to take with me also. So this one and the door hanger and the vintage Halloween I'm taking with me to stitch when we're in Colorado. Okay, so this is going to be a stocking. I'm going to put these on different bags, not keep them in the same one. All right, so let's again, you keep your paper, your top paper with your project, and then this is your directions. So, okay, I'm going to scoot you back out, sorry. Okay, there we go. So this is going to be your stocking. And these are all your little pieces right here. So all the numbers are right here. Oh goodness, there's so much of it, huh? So much work. Oh my gosh, love it. Okay, so yeah, so again, printed, look at his face. So cute. Printed felt, and some will be thinner than others, and that's okay. Let me turn it this way. Look at his little boots. But all of this, you guys, all of this will be cut out and stitched. His boots, his outfit. Oh, here's your stocking. I think I might have to sneeze, you guys, sorry. So this is your template. Or this is your, yeah, this is where you're going to stitch down to. This is your actual stocking, and you'll be stitching down to this. And then we have, oh, look at the little gingerbreads. How cute. Oh, and the cat. Yeah, I got to sneeze, scars. Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you. And because I know I have the best people blessing me right now. Okay, this feels really thick. This is like the thickest I've ever felt. That is thick, and that is one piece. This is like really, look at how thick that is. It's crazy. Okay. And then we have our white. This is the back of the stocking. So, and they have liners and stuff like that. If you wanted to line your stocking, you could. So it's all up to you, personal preference and stuff. I'm not there yet, so I will not even comment about that. If I will or won't, I don't even know. So I am not there. And it might be a little bit before I do a stocking. So let's open this. And let's see. So we have the floss. This is totally festive, you guys. This is totally Christmassy. And then we have the sequins. And here's the sequins right here. And then you have your beads right here and your 2 needles. So the needles are always in your packet right here. So don't lose them. And don't stab yourself. So a lot of don'ts. But anyway, so what was your favorite kit? What do you think? Love it? Have you guys tried it? Are you guys going to try it? Let me know. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your time. We'll see you all later. Bye.